Akili, Akili, Akili.
Sounds. Let's learn about sounds.
Hey kids, let's sing a song where we bring short sounds together to build a word. Our friends have short sounds written on their papers. Let's see how to bring them together to make different names. There is an A sound, there is a key sound, there is a li sound. Let's put them together. Akili, Akili, Akili. Yes, good job. Now let's try another word. There is a ke sound, there is a za sound, there is a ni sound. Let's put them together. Yay! That's right! Here are some other sounds to put together. There is an O sound, there is a U sound, there is a A sound. Let's put them together. O, U, A, O, U, A. Ola! You're all really good at this. Now, let's try one more. There is a hu sound, there is a ru sound, there is a ma sound. Let's put them together. Hu, ru, ma. Hu, ru, ma. Huruma! Great job, everyone! What a great song that teaches us how to bring sounds together to form a word. This helps you with your reading skills, so continue to try it at home. Bye!